So friends, today in this video we're going to discuss about the complete concepts of voltage or potential difference. The outlines of this video are what is a voltage and what is the key concept of voltage and what is the real world applications of voltage and what is the importance of voltage. Also, we will see the units and symbols of voltage along with the types of voltage and formulas of voltage. So let's start the video without wasting much time. In simple words, the voltage is defined as the work required to move the charge carrier in a circuit. That means voltage is always treated like a pressure because it always tries to push the electrons or the charge carrier to move from one point to another point in a circuit. Voltage is also known as the electric potential difference because it is the measure of difference in electric potential energy in between any two points in a circuit. So overall, the voltage is very necessary for the power transmission and distribution and in electronic device operation and in energy conversion and etc. So in this way we can use the voltage. So basically there are two types of voltages are considered. The first one, that is AC, that is alternating current voltage, and the second one, that is DC voltage. Okay, so these are the types of voltage. So voltage is always denoted as V and its unit is in volt, that is measured in volts, and the formula for the voltage is V is equal to IR. So here V is equal to the voltage and I is the current, amount of current flowing through the circuit, and R is the resistance in the circuit.